More income from investments is a goal for many investors, but income doesn't always have to come from bond coupons or stock dividends. Stephen Minar of BlackRock says you may want to consider covered call closed-end funds, especially in periods of market volatility. Closed-end funds trade like a stock and are known for their potential cash flow. Covered call strategies sell options on assets in the fund. The way it works, there's a trade-off. By selling options, the fund gives up potential long-term appreciation in exchange for immediate income.
Essentially, what a manager will do is they'll own, we'll just say, an S&P 500 portfolio. And then what they'll do is they'll go out into the market and they'll cover that portfolio with options. And depending on the manager, that rate of coverage could be anywhere from 100% to 50% or even lower.
The coverage rate depends on how aggressive the fund is in pursuing income from the option sales. According to CEF Connect, as of November 13th, there were 26 covered call closed-end funds. Distributions range from 6 to 14%, and about half the discounts exceeded 10%. As always, homework is important. Talk with your advisor, study how a strategy works, and when it may be more likely to succeed.
Covered call strategies, again, are designed to really benefit from volatility in the market and tend to perform best in range-bound markets. And so I think in today's environment, that could be an interesting strategy that that investors might want to look at.
The publication Seeking Alpha says if so-called sideways moving market conditions continue, equity volatility may rise, which could help increase income from covered call strategies. Okay, so if you're interested, what do you look for in a covered call fund? Minar says be sure to know what type of assets the covered calls are covering.
Where is the strategy focused on, right? Is it U.S. equity? Is it international equities? Or is it global equities? Then I think a few other things that you want to take note of is how much are they covering the portfolio? Generally, covered call strategies don't fluctuate too much in terms of how much of the portfolio they're covering. So
Stephen Minar talking about covered call closed-end funds, a potential idea for income-oriented investors. For more information, of course, check out our sponsor, CEFconnect.com, the authority on closed-end funds.